Hi, I'm Kenn Hoyumpa, co-owner of Grassroots Kava House, and I'm here today to show you how to brew kava traditionally. We're going to need a few things. First, we're going to need our kava. Today we're using our Ohana kava, and we'll be using 1/3 cup. We'll also need 32 ounces of water. We'll need a strainer bag, a large bowl, a funnel for the end, and finally, a shell. We're going to start by taking our 1/3 cup of kava, put it inside our strainer bag. We're going to take our 32 ounces of filtered water, pour it right on top, and we're going to knead and squeeze. After kneading and massaging for a few minutes, your kava should feel a bit dry now in the bag. After rinsing the filter bag, we're gonna put it inside our Nalgene to give it one last good strain. And use the funnel, pour easily. Now we're ready to drink. Moolah.